Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, first we need to power off our device. So you need to press the power button or power button and the volume up button at the same time in order to open this menu, and then choose power off. Now your device should shut down. Once it is off, we need to press and hold power button and volume down button. Press and hold them at the same time until you open this menu. Now we need to use the volume up or down button in order to navigate through the menu. And once you find the recovery mode, you need to press the power button. Now, for a few seconds, we should see the hello model text. And then we should have this no command text. Now we need to press the power button. And while holding the power button, we need to press the volume up button. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode, and over here we can do some stuff. If you want to exit the recovery mode, you can choose power off, and of course accept the mode with the power button. And of course you can navigate using volume up or down. Now you can power off, but that obviously turns off the smartphone completely. You can also choose reboot system now, so after that the Motorola will enter the normal mode once again after that. And then we can also go back to the bootloader, which was seen just before. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!